Same pitch. Both of them, same pitch. Hello guys, hello Malaysia and Southeast Asia. Thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here though, my name is Nifai, band vocalist and YouTuber actor. Today, oh my goodness, I am back to reacting to SHILA Amza from Malaysia, of course, and this time she will be singing for the first time for me, with AZLAN TYPEWRITER. They will be singing the song Halaman Asmara. This song is legendary. It's from Awi originally and Shanazen, and it's a difficult piece actually. It's a difficult duet. Since it's my first time to listen to SHILA Amza with AZLAN sing together, I don't really know how they would blend and how they would sound together, but I have high hopes for them because knowing SHILA Amza, she's so versatile. And AZLAN, of course, is a professional singer. He must have sung with a lot of different artists in his career, so this is not going to be new to him. And I heard him sing with Shanazen and some other artists. He was just sounding so good, and I have high hopes really for this duet. So without further ado guys, let's go check this out. 1, 2, 3. So the thick music. Nice guitar moment right there at the start. So SHILA is already wearing a hijab in this oh, not yet. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, I miss her voice. Oh wow. Heard that. Love those details. I heard those. Whoa. Nice. Oh my gosh. Wow! Oh my god, bro! Nice. Wait, oh my gosh! SHILA Amza was like drawing in her Ella-ish kind of voice, and I love it. There's a certain tone to it that is different from her usual singing, and I love it. This song is somehow rock in genre, and for her to sing in that kind of vocal style is really interesting because it's so fitting also to this song. Wow! And by the way, AZLAN is slaying it. My goodness. See? Oh my gosh! Ow, you must be so proud of this. Love her tone. Nice. Beautiful harmony, my goodness. Straight up to that note. Beautiful SHILA, wow. Same pitch. Both of them, same pitch. Wait, let me just tell you guys that this song is really extraordinary because the dude is the one who is harmonizing above the female notes. And it's just crazy. You should really have a great range if you want to sing this song. This is just an epic song, you know, it's a difficult piece. And as you've heard it, AZLAN was harmonizing with SHILA Amza all throughout. He was above her. And it's the same with the original arrangement of this song. Awi was harmonizing with Shanazen. And there should be power in your duet to slay this, you know. And yeah, I just commend SHILA Amza and AZLAN for doing this. And so far, so good. My gosh. Some guitar moment here. Wow. My gosh. I would die if I sing this song. Ah! Oh my gosh! I miss her! I miss her voice, SHILA Amsa! Great placement. Beautiful song, really. My goodness, AZLAN, bro. Wait, let me just check those notes for you guys, just so you know how high it is. He was hitting an E flat 5, while SHILA Amsa was hitting a B4. It's really funny in a good way though. That AZLAN is up there, and that B4 note is supposed to be like a comfortable belting note for dudes. It's the top note actually for the 4th octave, but still it's for the dudes usually. But in this case it's different. SHILA Amsa was hitting that note with power, and I love it. And AZLAN was just automatic, like harmonizing with her. It was so good to listen to. Wow. Extended. Extended, sir! Beautiful tone, SHILA. Wow. Beautiful, whoa. I love that. Love that, wow. Oh my god, the breathing of AZLAN is crazy. Nice. Oh, yes, yes. Wait. I saw SHILA Amsa raise her hand. She definitely knows the pauses and the drop moments of the instruments in this song, and I'm loving it. Wow, my goodness, AZLAN, bro, you're doing so great in this duet. My goodness, your voice is just immaculately good. Wow. Oh, wait. Wow, that note. Okay, that was a D5 right there, SHILA Amsa. Out of nowhere. Okay. I can't help myself. I'm so amazed. I would give him a standing ovation if I was there. That was really good, and I don't know what is wrong with SHILA Amsa. Like, she was so calm, but the power is there, and I just love her tone. Those changes also when she took it up, I just love those. And bro, AZLAN, my goodness, bro, your voice is out of this world, and I know for sure that Awi is gonna be super proud to listen to this version. Same with Jana Zen, to listen to SHILA Amsa sing this song. They're like the new generation, Awi and Jana Zen, with this performance. So wow, thank you so much guys for letting me watch this video. It was worth it. If you got more videos of SHILA Amsa, AZLAN, or any other artists from your country that you want me to react to, you know the drill, comment down below. You could also send me your messages and requests via Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook for all of the description box right down below. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you like my channel and content, please don't forget to subscribe because it really means a lot to me, guys. Thank you all so much. Terima kasih banyak semua. Harapan na semua terhibur. Dan jumpa lagi di dalam video seterusnya. Bye. This love,